Spending too much time preparing tax reporting and not enough time trading? It may be time to bring in some expert help. TradeLog Services provides turnkey solutions for traders and active investors who need accurate IRS-ready tax reporting but prefer to focus their time and effort on profitable trading or something else. TradeLog has been preparing trader tax reporting for 25 years and has been trusted by thousands of traders along with leading trader tax professionals. TradeLog reporting has never been rejected by the IRS. You can use it with popular online tax filing programs, give it to your CPA or tax preparer, or print the file yourself. What can TradeLog Services do for you? Think of our team like a bookkeeper for your trading. Our specialists use the TradeLog application to log your trades and generate specific reporting needed for trader taxes, like IRS Form 8949 with additional wash sale adjustments not reported by brokers, detailed reporting of Section 1256 qualified trading for Form 6781, as well as complete reporting needs for traders who elect Section 475 trader tax status. We're not a CPA firm and we don't provide full-service tax advice or preparation. But you can use the reports we generate to prepare your own taxes or give to your CPA or tax preparer, which can save you time and money. Are you wanting to take control of harmful wash sale situations before the tax year is over? Our service team can provide year-to-date TradeLog reporting, monthly or quarterly, empowering you with information to make tax-smart decisions. If you're using TradeLog to maintain your own trade history, but would like an expert to check your work, then our file review service can give you the peace of mind you need to know your reporting is accurate. Wondering what's involved in using TradeLog Services? Here's what to expect. We start with scheduling a consultation. You can submit a request online. A representative will call to discuss your needs and help determine the best solution. You'll then receive a proposal and a quote for the estimated work involved. If you're ready to continue, we'll provide personal access to our secure client portal where you can upload required account statements and trade history, communicate with our team, view project status, make payments, and access completed reporting. Ready to take control of your taxes and your time? TradeLog Services may be the partner you need for trading success. Let's see how we can help you. Go to TradeLog.com and click on Services to learn more and submit a consultation request.